am Kelly, the product manager of Advantech Industrial Display Solutions. Our demonstration will highlight products designed for autonomous mobile robots and the robotic sector. AMR and robotic systems use display are essentially for delivering crucial information and enable intuitive interactions, enhance operational efficiency and accuracy. They are widely used in agriculture, manufacturing, and retail sector. Often the operation side is space constrained, so we offer high compact display kits for streamlined design. Advantech AMR touch panel kit offer high compatibility with Advantech embedded boards and eSystem systems, featuring in-house optical bonding for pCAP touch and IP65 rated design. These kits improve touch sensitivity, durability, and environmental resistance. It brings superior AMR performance. Here we have optimized display solutions for AMR in 7 and 10 inches. LCD is selectable for general or high brightness. Let's take a closer look at the rugged 10.1-inch design. This is the IDP31 series 10.1-inch 1200 nits high brightness version. It's suitable for outdoor use. Not only does it have a high brightness, but it also features IP65 rating for waterproof and anti-UV for soundproof. It has 1280 by 800 resolution LCD and is equipped with projected capacitive touch, which can handle multi-control. It has panel mount and rugged front IP67 design. At the bottom, you can see use HDMI connector for display and USB to enable touch feature, and it's powered by 12-volt DC jack. The operation temperature supports wide range from -20 to 60 degrees and supports shock and vibration resistance. These features make it suitable for various environments. And this is 7-inch display case that use a 1024 by 600 resolution LCD. It connected by LVDS interface and pCAP touch via USB ports. The operating temperature ranges from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. The display key can fit in most AMR housing design, such as manufacturing process delivery AMR. As you can see here, we offer a comprehensive product line, including open frame, panel mount design, rugged IP67 rated touch monitors, and touch panel kit to fulfill various applications. Thanks for watching.